Keep all food sealed and inaccessible to ants by using airtight containers and routine checks. Start by transferring dry goods into rigid, airtight containers made of glass or food-grade plastic and label each with purchase and open dates so older stock is used first. Create a cleaning protocol that includes wiping shelves with warm, soapy water at least once every 2 weeks and immediately addressing spills or sticky residues with a mild degreaser to remove scent trails. Place shelf liners that are smooth and non-porous to make crumbs visible and easy to sweep into a dustpan. Replace liners on a schedule or when visibly soiled. For persistent activity, set bait stations or gel baits in corners outside of food storage zones where ants travel, not on shelves where food is handled. The foraging ants carry the bait back to the colony and reduce numbers over time. Seal entry points by inspecting gaps around pipes, vents, and baseboards, and apply silicone caulk or foam where gaps allow easy ant access, and check seals seasonally. Maintain a dry environment by fixing leaks promptly and using desiccant packs in containers that tolerate them, because many ant species are drawn to moisture as well as food. A common mistake is assuming clear plastic bags are sufficient for long-term storage, which allows scents and small ants to pass through. Move those items into rigid, airtight containers. Another frequent issue is placing baits directly on shelves among food, which risks contamination and reduces bait effectiveness. Instead, put baits along ant trails outside the immediate storage area. People also forget that structural entry points matter more than spot treatments, so only treating visible ants without sealing gaps or addressing moisture will lead to repeat infestations. Pair baiting and cleaning with targeted sealing and moisture control. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides practical articles on how to manage household pest prevention in storage areas. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share tips and experiences, and we help contractors find work by listing projects and connecting them with interested homeowners.